This is a room tour, 8:45 at the Hard Rock Hotel in Atlantic City. Come on in.
So you come in the door, you have a nice closet. Figgy traveled with us. You can have a connecting room in this one. So you have a little hallway. A nice full mirror. Excuse our mess. So you have the separate toilet room. You have a blow dryer. And look at that shower. I think it's huge.
Don't open that.
I got one behind. Okay, Mike.
Got a nice little table, 2 chairs. These even have storage in them. And you got a king size bed and has the little fridge on this side.
Got a small coffee maker.
TV, ice bucket. Got a nice little lounge chair here. We got a view of Pacific Avenue.
This is in the North Tower. So we
can see Brigantine. There's Harris in the distance. And the Borgata over here on the left.
My niece is staying in the Borgata.
And there's the showboat next to us and the Ocean Club next to us.
We usually do stay in the Borgata, but they were not having any of their special flights out of Florida into New Jersey until next year again, only into Biloxi. So the Hard Rock put us up for a few days. So what else you got in here?
That's pretty much it. And there,
Nice little lounge chair.
I'm gonna turn this thermostat down. It's hot in here now.
This whole front is a window, even behind the TV. So it's got a nice like curved window all the way around. And the showboat is between us and ocean. So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll try to post up a couple more out and about here in Atlantic City.